Super Hurricane Katrina 2005. The hurricane on the map. In 2005, swirling mass quickly moving toward the southern coast of the United States. Flooding in the city. The city of New Orleans was almost submerged underwater as the levee system broke. The floodwaters rushed in with immense force. People on rooftops. Thousands of people had to climb onto their rooftops seeking rescue amidst the vast sea of water. Devastation and damage. Katrina left behind catastrophic destruction, causing damages estimated at $125 billion and taking nearly 1.800 lives.